Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial for this Shabby Chic Ruffle border set. So here is the big size, and you will get these two borders. You can use them separately or just combine them together. So I have die cut these out. Here you can see the folding lines. So to make it, you just need to fold it. This is the middle of your border, so just fold this part like this and then fold back around this line. So it's like this. And then doing the same to the rest of your folding lines. So it will look like this, and then do the same to the other side. So it will look like this, and you can just stick on the back. So it will look like this, and this is the back. So you can add your you can make sewing on top, or just make it like this and then adding some emblems or other things to decorate your ruffle. So this is the plain one, and if you want to make a shabby chic one, then just layer these two together. Just make sure they line up well, so stick them together. And also you can see these folding lines, so fold them in the middle. Just doing the same thing as the previous one. So this one is ready and it looks like this. Then you can just decorate it or not. Normally I will make a sewing on top, so I think it adds an extra texture on top, but it's up to you. You can just use it like this. So it looks like this, and then you can add a word on top. See, like this. So that's all for this shabby chic ruffle tutorial today. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I'll answer you as soon as possible. And for this cutting die set, it will be available on Amazon in about 10 days, I think, and it would be able to pre-order in 1 week, I think. I will let you know if when the Amazon accept the goods. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.